Welcome to YBC 2025, brand new. I'm Sam Elliott, and I will be your guide through this year's activities. The first game we will be playing this week is a favorite on the old dusty trail, dodgeball. If you get hit with the ball, you are out. But if one of your teammates catches a ball, you get to come back in and play. You can hit the other team anywhere from the neck down, but if you hit anyone in the head, you are out. We will also be playing a variation called blob ball. If you get hit with the ball in blob ball, you have to go join the other team and play for them. If at any point you make a ball in the trash can, your team automatically wins the round. Don't forget the most important rule out there. Be safe and always have fun. We'll talk more tomorrow. See you out there.